Yes, my peoples, look. So I got some sea bass here, some fish. Something different. Get me? Got some fish and that. Are we cooking it? Like, are we putting it in the oven?
Finish seasoning it up on here, can chat to me, man. Sure. Let's finish seasoning up the thing, man. Finish seasoning up the something.
You sound like my boss, bruv. Like, don't chat to me like that. Joker. Anyways, last thing, I'm gonna add is this. I seen it on TikTok. You can add like some sort of protein shake to your fish. Extra protein, car. I'm trying to bulk up in that.
Hold on. Where you say I'm gonna put it on it? Hey, no bother with this. Don't bother with that, man. I want you. You think I gym this? A kitchen the inner where we cook food. No bother with it.
It's already gone in it now.
Jesus Christ. So we have to go wash up.
No, but it's good. Like, you get me muscle and them thing.
Oh, where you get them kind of cooking there from? Not from me. Not from your mama.
Jamie Oliver.
Right? Come out of the kitchen.
Jamie Oliver does.
Come out of the kitchen.
Jamie Oliver does.
Jamie Oliver a shit. Him can't cook. Come out of the kitchen.
Hang on a minute. Come on.
Come out. Hang on. Hang on.